Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm extremely sorry I could not upload videos for the last couple of days. As I've already told you guys that I'll be out of station, but after reaching my native place, my mother's health was not well, because of which I was busy and it was a little bit serious, but she is stable right now, and I'll be going back to my place, Kolkata, tomorrow. Okay, so you can expect a regular routine from my side from next week onwards. So let's see how the market is doing. Stocks fall, yields rise after a hotter than expected inflation reading. And if you look at the chart of dollar index, then dollar index is also looks bullish, standing at 102.85, or you can say the market closed at 102.85. If we just try to understand the market emotion here, then you can clearly see the market looks bullish, though market closed at resistance, but market really wants to go higher. So right after the market opening, there's a high chance that market or DXY will break 102.85 level and will scale higher. And if DXY fails also, if you see market going down or market forming few red candles right after the market opening, okay, then also there is a chance that market will break 102.85, because as I have already told you guys many times that for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Right after the market opening, we don't get to see much volume. So if market opens on a typical normal market with low volatility, low volume, then obviously market will face some trouble in going for a breakout, because volume will be absent. But that doesn't mean that the breakout has failed completely. During the European session or US session, when the volume will come, then market will try to break the level of 102.85 again, because right now if you look at the chart, that market sentiment seems to be bullish right now. So there's a good chance that market will be heading towards the next resistance of 103.50. Clear? So if you're looking for any support right now, forget about support, simply observe the market reaction in this particular portion of the market here. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts and performs on Monday. And if you look at the forexfactory.com, then you can see that on Monday we don't have any major news, so that's a big relief. So the market will be mostly dominated by technicals and the technical factors. Okay, and before I proceed, I would like to mention that thanks a lot for showing overwhelming response to our Hindi channel, Aviyanka School of Finance. Those who have not subscribed to the Hindi channel, please subscribe to the Hindi channel if you love to listen to the analysis on Hindi, where me and my wife are trying our best, okay, to post regular updates about the market. So if you understand Hindi, feel free to subscribe Aviyanka School of Finance. The link is in the description. And now let's talk about gold. Where is the gold? Yes, there is gold. So first of all, if we look at the chart of gold, then we can see the market is still seems to be forming a falling wedge pattern. As we all know that the falling wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. So yes, technically there is a possibility that market may show some upside. But if we look at the market sentiment here, then the market sentiment for dollar index seems to be bullish right now. So in that case, we may get to see further downside. So I will say that by next week, after 3-4 days, if a breakout comes, then that's a different chapter. But right now it is better to focus on the key levels of the market, major levels of the market. Probably you guys know it very well that I'm not a positional trader. Okay, I prefer to trade from level to level only, and day trading is my specialty. So as a result, I'll be focusing on levels only. So if we focus on the present trend of the market here, the market seems to be going down, but yes, we do have some important levels where you can expect a good bounce. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, I would like to take you to the weekly chart of gold here. You can see this is the weekly chart of gold in front of us. Market closed at 1913, and now see when we are drawing Fibonacci here, okay, you can see when market made the high of 2080, okay, and market took support around FIBO 38.2% retracement level around 1895, and the next support on FIBO is around 1842. Okay, remember the number 1842, the next FIBO level, which is FIBO 50% retracement level on the weekly chart. Clear? Now see, now I have added the pivot lines here. Now you can see that around 1842 or 1840, we also have the weekly support from the pivot as well. So 1840, 1842, okay, is a very strong support on the weekly chart. So we have very strong buyers present around the level. And one more important thing that you need to know is that if market breaks 1895 here, you can see if market breaks 1895 here, then we do not have any immediate strong support. So there is a possibility that if market breaks 1895, gold may head towards the 1850, 1840 level as well. See, market sentiment changes from week to week, day to day. So right now, the market sentiment seems to be bearish. And one more thing you need to understand it very well, that we are retail traders. We do not have the capacity to predict the direction of the market, to predict the tops and bottoms of the market. As a retail trader, it's okay. If you really want to survive in the market, you really need to go with the flow. And that's a bitter reality. So right now market sentiment seems to be bearish. So if market breaks 1895 level, market will head towards 1840, 1850 level. So this is the picture we are getting from the weekly chart here. Clear? And now this is our normal chart. So right after the market opening, observe the volatility of the market. As we all know, volatility is very, very important. So if the volatility of the market remains normal, if you see a typical normal Monday market, then obviously there will not be much volatility. In that case, you can expect each and every level to work, because to break a level, either it is support or resistance, doesn't matter. To break a level, volume is important. If volume is missing, then obviously the breakout will not be successful. In that case, my dear friends, if market comes down to 1903 level, 1903 to 1904, you can expect the market to have the first support, or you can say 1903 1904 is the first support on the chart of gold USD. Right after the market opening, if you see gold going down, okay, observe the volatility. If you see that the volatility of the market is like this only, then you can definitely expect that 1903 1904 will work. Once market will bounce, hit the buy button, you can expect a bounce of at least 50 pips. This is the 4 hours chart of gold right now. Okay, you don't need to have the confirmation on 4 hours. 4 hours is a slow time frame. Simply go to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame and see how the market is reacting. Once market will hit 1903 1904, observe the body language of the market. If you see that market is showing price rejection from below, market is trying to take support, you will get the confirmation that buyers are present and you can go for a buy. So this is our first support, and the second support is around, obviously around what kind of 18 is that? Okay, 1893 1893 to 1895. This is the second support on the chart of gold, and this seems to be the last strong support on the chart of gold. So on Monday, if you see gold going down with big red candles, this is the level where you can expect the strongest buyers to be present, and definitely we can expect a bounce of 50 to 70 pips. If you see market taking support around 1893 94, market forming hammer pattern, market forming bullish engulfing pattern, you will get the confirmation that buyers are giving their best fight to protect the level. You can go for a buy around 1893. At least it should go till 1899 or 1900 level. See, right now I'm drawing FIBO from the bottom of the chart here. When I'm drawing FIBO from the bottom of the chart here, you can see this was the FIBO 23.6. This was the FIBO 38.2 when I'm drawing FIBO from the 1600 level. So you can see here 1896. Okay, you can see here 1896 95 is the next support on the chart of gold, and the weekly support that we saw along with the weekly pivot level, this is the next level, the blue box here. around 1845.37 we have the next strong support. So if gold breaks this green box here, listen to me carefully, if gold breaks this green box here, you can see that we do not have any immediate strong support, and high chance that there will be a big fall of at least 300-400 pips, and market will be heading towards 1840-1850 level. Okay, so this is the strongest support. Now let's see whether these two support boxes work or not. And right after the market opening, if we see upside on the chart of gold, again observe the volatility of the market. So if you see similar candles, okay, if you see similar candles on the chart of gold, then observe the market around the 1825 1824 level. Sorry, not 1825, 1925. Okay, around 1925 1924 level, because you can see here we have the previous support acting as resistance. And as I said, if the volatility of the market is low, market will not have the strength and power to go for a breakout. In that case, you can expect the levels to work nicely. 1825-24 is the previous support acting as resistance. In that case, you observe the market. If you see market struggling around 23-25 level, you can hit the sell button. Do not expect much. Volatility is low, so you can expect around 30-40 pips max. And second resistance is around 1929-1930. 1929 to 1930. It can be 1928 as well. And you can see here, this time we are doing a simple job here. We are simply considering FIBO from the top of the chart to the lowest point of the chart, okay, to find out the resistance level. So when we are doing this, okay, we can also see that around 1929 1930 level, we not only have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, but we also have previous support acting as resistance. So again, we have double confirmation here that sellers will be present around 1929-1930 level. As we all know, my dear friends, that FIBO 23.6% is not a very strong level, but still, because of previous support acting as resistance, we can expect sellers to be present around the area. Okay. So as of now, let's keep our eyes around these on these levels, okay? Because I'm coming on Monday again to update, guys. So already the video is around 12 minutes. I don't want to bore you longer. Have a nice weekend. Have fun with your friends and family. And my dear friends, this is my analysis, so I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.